Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete Stargazer account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Start off by launching open Stargazer application from your app drawer and also make sure to log into your account. Stargazer currently does not offer a direct way to delete your account. This is because Stargazer wallet uses non-custodial storage, meaning your private keys and funds are stored directly on your device, not on the Stargazer server. So therefore, deleting your account wouldn't actually remove your wallet from the blockchain or delete your access to your funds. However, you can remove your wallet from your device by following a simple step. The first thing to do is to simply go ahead and log into your wallet and export your private key. So in order to export your private key from the main home page, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right hand corner. In the settings page, tap on wallets at the top. Select the wallet from the list and tap on show recovery phrase option under backup. Enter your wallet password in order to reveal your recovery phrases. Once you reveal the recovery phrases, make sure to keep a copy of it in a secure folder or write down your recovery phrases in a piece of paper in the correct order. Once you've backed up your wallet, you can now remove your wallet. Tap on remove wallet option at the bottom and tap on remove on the next page as well. As long as you have your recovery phrases, you can access anytime you want to your wallet again. Remember, you should not share your private keys with anyone, since sharing it is just like giving someone your bank account's password. So that is how you will be able to delete or remove your wallet from Stargazer. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.